Hey guys, so this is part 3 of the 5.3 build. It's been a couple days, been kind of busy, so just getting back to it. The motor's already put together, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the footage that I shot a couple days ago. We threw in the front timing cover, rocker studs, cradles, and rocker arms, and got all those guys set. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we got some ARP rocker studs for the rocker arms. Okay, we got our little rocker studs installed, hand tight. Go ahead and throw the push rods in. Texas Speed push rods. I'll double check all these too. I'm just gonna plop them in there for now. Not that it matters. Speed is up. Okay, so there's that little chamfer down in there. Yep, those are in. It's in. Feel that little ramp that's in the lifter trays that kind of feed them down in there. Okay, we're good. We just got the factory, I don't even know what you call these. Already gave them a brake clean bath, but cradles? Rocker cradles? That sounds good, right? Rocker cradles? That sounds legit. Yeah, sure. Rocker cradles. Rocker arm cradles. I'm sure they make aftermarket ones of those, but I'm sure the OEs are fun. Okay, before we get too far here, I want to get the front timing set on, timing chain on, so I can turn the motor over and set the valves, or the rockers, or whatever you want to call them. But here I got the camera turning plate. Now this is actually a new updated part, because the old ones, you can tell here, I just ordered, and this is just GM part that I got off of Texas Speed. This is the old one here. The new one's got countersunk holes in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But apparently this is a direct OE fit, and it's supposed to be better. And comes with these Torx bolts with some, looks like Loctite on them, T40. Torque those to 11 foot-pounds. I think the OE torque spec, and what I was about to do, but I was like, I better go look that up, was on the old style is like 25 foot-pounds or something, and then it's 11 foot-pounds on this new plate. So anyway, that goes up here. We'll throw on a little lube. There's a cam reg right there. And we'll take this guy, just let it do its thing, and move you guys back up here for the live action. We'll go ahead and push that guy on there. Beautiful. Set her to 11 foot-pounds, which is probably just going to be sketchy loose. Something like this. I didn't see any torque sequence on it, so I don't know, it's 4 bolts. Probably not super crucial. Wow, I do not like that at all. That is like super loose. 11 foot-pounds ain't much, but it's what the brochure says, brother. So, okay, so the motor is on top dead center right now. Get the, let's slide this guy on for 2 seconds and get him. Oh, I already did it. Maybe I don't think on the crank here. Yeah, right there. Okay. So that's good. That's good. Slide this guy off, maybe put some lube on her. It's got like the little freaking bearing back here, that's kind of nice. You know, I've never installed timing chain on a motor before. So, my last motor I always had a gear timing setup for it, and I think there's no rocker, so I should be able to just put that in there, hand tighten. Somewhat. Spin the motor. First time installing a timing chain. Well, on a timing chain like this, I've done old 22 REs, Toyota's brother. Shake up our stuff. Probably gonna get some comments about this, but I don't think a little bit's gonna hurt anything. That like stat. So that's my 2 cents. It's worth it in. If it's even what you're supposed to do. I'm sure there's a retaining plate you can get for this. But I think a little dab of blue Loctite isn't gonna hurt. I don't know, dude. Oh, if you grab any kind of snap-on ratchet, like I said, you always gotta have a flat head on hand, especially with small sockets, not really deep wells, but go over these one more time. 25 foot-pounds. Cool. Now we can throw in the rocker arms. Okay guys, so we got our timing set in, so we're gonna go ahead and throw in our rockers, put a little lube on it. Throw this guy in there. I'm just following exhaust opening, intake closing, so I got the motor rolled over until the exhaust valve started to, the push rod started coming up for the exhaust. That makes sure you're on the base circle of the cam for the opposite valve on that cylinder. So take our stud here, or our nut for our stud. Where's my ARP stuff? These are the ARP studs. So we're just gonna throw a little bit of this assembly lube on them. Take that guy down. And then the torque on these was 25 foot-pounds, I believe. That's what the brochure said. Rocker arm stud, yep, 25 foot-pounds. Always good to double check. Oh, already, look at that. And we're just gonna okay, and there we go. This is the first LS rocker I've ever installed in my life, so do I get something? So now, intake opening, or exhaust opening, intake closing, yeah. So we're gonna turn this guy over. And oh my God, it's moving. Oh my God. Guys, it's moving. It's moving. Okay, intake closing. So that ensures us we're on the base circle. Grab another rocker. And then just go to town, buddy. Put that guy down on there. Oh, socket. Oh, it's not there. And we're just gonna go through all cylinders just like this. We'll do a couple. I won't do them all on camera. That is interesting. We're on the base circle. I like how I can see that, but why? Huh. Gotta push it, hold it down on the cam. Okay, exhaust opening. We are on the intake valve, yep. Pretty straightforward, if I'm doing this right. Then doing like hydraulic rollers on a small block, and way faster than lashing a solid roller cam. I'll still be working on the first one. Self-explanatory. Rocker cradle. Used to a small block Chevy. So exhaust opening. Exhaust opening. Haven't been able to drive her all summer. No motor. Look at that. Look at that. What a beauty. Cool. Well, I hope I did this right, guys. Sure if I didn't, someone would let me know. But awesome. I'm gonna do the other side. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for part 3. We got our rocker arms installed, our front timing chain. Threw this guy on off camera. Looks pretty sweet on there, guys. I'm so freaking excited. It's finally starting to look like an engine. This block has been sitting bare in my shop for like 7 months with all these parts. I've just been so busy. But no, guys, I'm freaking stoked. It's finally starting to look like an engine. I'm waiting on the oil pump. I ordered it off of Texas Speed Mellings oil pump. Got an email a few days after I placed the order, and they said they're back ordered, and the estimated ship date is December 12th. So we're waiting on that. might paint the block, I don't know yet. I mean, I'm gonna paint it, but I could just, you know, just throw the oil pan on and the old front and rear covers and tape off the heads and paint it at least. You know, obviously I gotta take the oil pan off and front timing cover off to put the oil pump back in, but might do that. But other than that, guys, this might be the last video for a little bit, or after painting the block. I guess I might be able to, because I got my motor mounts in today, Dirty Dingo motor mounts. Some Anasies on them. Go check out my new TikTok. Shameless plug. I guess I could probably mock up the motor if I wanted to. See how it's gonna fit. I am probably just gonna end up running the Turbo 350 for a little bit until I can afford to upgrade or have a Turbo 400 built or something, guys. But like I said, videos might slow down a little bit on the 5.3 because I just got so much more stuff I gotta order, and I can't really afford to peep behind a bunch of stuff for this guy right now. I need let's see here. I need intake manifold, Holley Terminator X EFI. I need a whole new fuel system. You know, like fuel cell, fuel pump lines, fuel regulators, return lines, injectors, turbo kit, turbo manifolds, front accessory. I got to figure out a front accessory drive for this, because the car doesn't have power steering. So I just need alternator and water pump. So it should be pretty simple, but I got a bunch more money to spend, and we're probably just gonna have to slow down for a little bit and do what we can with what we got for now, guys. But anyways, that's enough talking. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And hell yeah, guys, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.